people, Mr. Universe is here with the lady. What your name, Cow?
So the people can call me. My name is Marlon Buchanan.
So they call you Cow?
Because that is just the same thing again with that. We stopping at I'm pregnant and she said me, she wake up me and said me must make her boyfriend drop me down by phone to make a phone call to my baby father.
Yes.
By this time it's nothing like that. She want me to come to her boyfriend to go collect the cow thief money.
Yes.
I don't know. So she used me. And then now me get the name. You get me, sir?
There you get the name, Cow.
And it's not me. I don't do anything.
And then you ain't got TV Cow now,
no? No, come 5 months pregnant. Though you 5 months pregnant, man. And then say the man I'm a baby father when he's not the baby father live in England.
But what on you know? You want to say, Mr. Universe now. But first, before I go further, let us say big up goes out to my international famous lawyer, Miss Dion Mailer, at 6 Louis Street in Savlamar. You can telephone her 918-2012. Miss Dion Mailer, the most popular lawyer in Westmoreland in Western Jamaica, Miss Dion Mailer. Big up, Miss Dion Mailer. Say hi, Miss Dion Mailer.
Hi, Miss Dion Mailer. How are you today? Sweet lady.
Yes, yes. So we say you want to send a message now to your son who live in England.
Yeah.
Yes, send a message to him.
Why is he treating me this way? He used to send a little thing for me and then him stop and all of a sudden my little furniture them when me dance and buy him say me must leave it to man. He will buy them back. I'll know he not buy back anything. Me walk here so me bounce here so me suffer here so me sleep here so me sleep here so I can't get a job. Everybody work me and use me and don't want to pay me. What kind of message is that to my children? My 2 daughters, one is cashier at the supermarket in Montego Bay and one work at the bank. I don't know what kind of work she do in the bank. Please.
Hold on, let's acknowledge Malibu. Big up Malibu. So hold on now. You tell me a case where you go to your daughter yard and your daughter boyfriend
beat me.
Beat you?
Yes, and kick me.
Kick you?
Yes, and
you couldn't chop off him. What's it for?
He have a cutlass with him too and he
Papa Jesus now. What you say now? Him boyfriend kick you?
Yes, in my tummy.
What you call Tommy? Tell me.
My belly. That's in my stomach there.
Yes, yes.
And he beat me with the cutlass and said, if it's money me come from my daughter, me not gonna get any because it's she and him did it. And me must say, him not work a mine or a fair house and it's not his house. So what kind of children is that? A shameful and disgraceful child?
Yes.
Get a man to turn away her mother from her house. She sleep in the bed and with her man and make me sleep on the dirty carpet and then step over me.
What you say?
Yes, she do it to me.
What you say your daughter make you sleep on the floor?
Yes, on the dirty carpet. Meantime, she and her man sleep on the bed and then step over me when they want to go to the bathroom. And her son sleep in that room in a big king size bed. And her mother have to sleep on the dirty floor.
You really sleep on the dirty floor?
My daughter make me sleep on the floor. Nikisha Cope, her name is Nikisha Cope.
Alright, nobody call her name. Don't call her name. So what you say, he really make you sleep on it?
Yeah, she really make me sleep on the floor for real. It's not a lie.
Oh, what a wicked girl. Yeah, so what you say now? You want your son in England to hear this and to help you?
Yes. And for even send a bar with little food, come give me hungry. I'm always hungry.
Yes.
So go $100 please. Make up buy some food please.
What you say now? What you say now? Eh? So you want your son not pay you no mind in England?
No, he said he's not working.
Hold on, you tell me say married to an African woman. So tell me all about that African woman.
I don't know her. She used to call me every day when she don't get the ring on her finger. And when she get the ring on her finger, she ain't calling me anymore.
Papa Jesus Christ, what a wicked, dirty, nasty African woman that.
Well, if my son even hear you say that, you say I mustn't say anything bad about her because I don't know what she's doing up there for him.
Jesus Christ!
I don't want to say anything bad because I don't hear her.
Yeah, but your son wicked. So call out him. What's your son name?
Michael Gardner.
Michael what?
Gardner.
So Michael Gardner living in England, your mother out here need help and he might call out for you.
Yes. Michael David St. Paul Gardner.
Say name again.
Michael David St. Paul Gardner.
Papa Jesus, I wish man if I can't get the name then now, Cow.
No, that is the name that God gave me to give because when he born down by Solomon Hospital, it is paid doctor and nurse and sisters. There was no other people more nurse, doctors and sisters than me. So he was a blessed baby, but I don't know what happened.
Papa Jesus Christ. So hold on, you know, you tell me say no, you don't want little clothes. So tell the people them say you look little help.
Me looking little help, I looking little clothes, so shelter, somewhere to live. I don't live anywhere. I want a job, I want to work. I'm suffering people. People don't ask for what they don't need. Because wants is a thing where you can make it go on until another time. But needs is something what it needs right away. It's emergency.
But Papa Judah, you know you're a intelligent piece of woman cow.
Thank you very much, Mr. Universe.
What is my name?
Thank you very much, Mr. Universe.
So how you know my name like that?
I heard the people them calling you Mr. Ted Universal. And I saw it up there that it named Mr. Universe, Ted Brown.
So many bigger road people not talk about Mr. Universe.
Yes, people talk about you, and enough time when I listen to the radio, when I there anywhere and listen to Ira FM, I always hear you big up Ellis Kelly. Big up yourself, Ellis Kelly, I love you.
Yes.
And all those people, I know they are.
And it can be at least you're willing to work.
Yes, and at least I'm willing to work.
Yes.
Shima and Bones, I'm willing to work. What is it? Muta Baruka, I'm willing to work.
So you're just willing to work. So you just want a little help.
I want some help. I don't have any house, I don't live anywhere. So the people then put me up, so them put me out and use me and do me bad. So I'm
Jesus Christ. So be a things them are going and I do you?
Yeah. So
yes. Me can't believe it.
I'm asking.
Yeah, me can't believe it.
They could give me a little help, like, build up a little
yes, but hold on there now. Come on there now, cow. So people, Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger is here with cow and tie with rope. Well, are you and thief people come or somebody TV go make you get in him?
My friend and her boyfriend and my friend boyfriend and another friend.
Okay.
Steal the cow.
Alright. Malibu, hold on. Nadia Malibu says she want to send you a thing. Alright, if you're willing to send, if they send the money to you, I'm gonna make sure you come and you go on live and I'm gonna give you the money. Or whatever you want, I will buy it for you and hand it over to you. So if anybody right here send any money for you or anything say I must give you, you have to come back here and I give you it live. Make everybody see.
Yes. And if they have any little clothes, any little wig or something, because I can't do my hair, I just ask them for something. Any little shoes on my feet because I'm naked and shoeless. I'm no roof over my head.
Oh my goodness, this touched my heart, and I know this touched the whole wider world who are watching.
So, I don't want to be a criminal. I just asking for help.
Oh my goodness, I feel it for you right now. Oh my God, Sharon Broomfield. Big up yourself, Sharon Broomfield. My sister is a blogger in England. Big up yourself, Sharon Broomfield. And you're here with Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger with Cow right now. She's in need of help and she's sending a message to his son in England. You understand? I'm going to send it to you, Ted. Okay. Malibu says she's going to send the money to me. Yes, you understand? And I'm going to come and give it to you. So if Malibu send it tomorrow, I will give you the money. And when she send the money, you come for the money. And I'm going to show you the money that Malibu sent for you. You understand? If anybody willing to help you again, I will make sure I go live on this medium. Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger, will go on this medium to show them that I hand over the money to you, Cow.
Yes, what about the little house?
You want a little, but hold on, if we can build a apply place for you, you'll have somewhere to put it?
Yes, because we look here. What about the government reserve land? Yes, it's there is somewhere we put out there to put it. Yes, sir. One government reserve land because I have nothing.
All right, Miss George said I can give her some clothes, but I'm living in Ochi. That's all I can do. No problem. Just get a bus. If any bus come at Savlama, you just inbox me. Hold on, you just inbox me. All right, I'm gonna call you tomorrow, Ted. So hold on, you know. Malibu gonna call me tomorrow. Tomorrow gonna be Wednesday. So by Thursday, you come and check me back and I give you the money live. Make everybody can see that Mr. Universe deliver the money that the artist Malibu send all the way from overseas to you. Okay. You understand? So come about Thursday. Nobody cry. The people willing to help you. Don't cry, Cow. Your blessings is coming now because you're here with the #1 blogger, Mr. Universe, Ted Brown. Don't cry, don't cry, don't cry. Don't watch your wicked kids them. Your son where they are England and you send message to him. Say, no man, you have to pray, Cow. Cow.
Yes, dear Joe, God, I'm asking you, dear God, to help me, dear Father God, and to bless all those who willing to help me, God, let their basket full, dear God. and run over, because when it run over, they know what to do. They are not like the wicked people, them, dear God. They are good people. God bless you in Jehovah God's name.
Amen. 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 Oh God, cow, I feel your pain. You're crying, that means you're really in need.
Yes, I'm in need. It is not a wants business, this is a need business. It's needed.
Yes.
Not want. Want is the thing people can wait for want. Don't, when you go to KC and you're in the line, you want the chicken and you're waiting and you're waiting. That is want, that is not need. Because if you need, you're going to go in front of everybody who's in the line, right? Right, so that is want, so you wait. But this is need. Urgent.
Yes. All right, Claudia, First Lady, big up. I want to say big up to my international famous lawyer, Miss Diane Mailer. Don't cry, Mama. Time. Okay, that Miss Jared said don't cry, but you go. Why call her cow though? Give her different name, please. I saw the what's her name? What's your real name?
Marlene Buchanan.
Marlene Buchanan, but our friend went thief a cow. Him and him man when him 5 months pregnant and then give her the name cow. Papa Jesus.
Because she never want to go to collect the money and she used me now and tell me that she will tell us I'm going to phone you.
Oh God, my sister Claudia First Lady said real talk. Oh my God. Oh my God. Miss Jared said, I hate to see mother cry. Ted, what's her correct name? Marlene Buchanan. Yes. Carlene said, bless her, Lord. Yes, her name, sorry. Marlene Buchanan is her name. Yeah. Debbie said, up Ted. Booba, we see you from Grangeville. Novelette Hamilton said, hi Marlene. Okay, Claudia First Lady said, okay, hi Marlene. The people love your name, Marlene.
Yes, I love them too.
You love them too. The people's gonna help you because Malibu said she's gonna call me tomorrow so you can come and check me about Thursday and then I will hand over the money. If anybody send anything else to you, you're gonna come on Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger medium again, and I deliver whatever I get to give you. You understand? David said, good job, Ted. Oh my goodness, thank you. I am going to look for her son up here. Okay, what going on here? Okay, so God bless her. Lily said, God bless you. Lord bless her and keep her. Good heart, sisters. Good heart, Sealer. All right. Don't understand what is okay, what from the side that you will know. Okay, Letitia said hi Marlene. Oh my goodness. So so hold on there now. Nobody say your son not take care of you? You live like nowhere?
Nowhere. I don't live nowhere at all. I just catch here so catch there so and so I catch they treat me bad because I don't have a house. I don't have anything for myself and then so they still take up the things then because they catch it. Which way if God could have just known.
Alright, Dwayne said, oh Lord, your blessings is coming. Okay. Are you on Facebook, Marlene Buchanan? You're on Facebook? No, you're on Facebook. That's why you come to Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger right here. You understand? That's why you come to Mr. Universe, because she knows that Mr. Universe is a very international person, and she come to Mr. Universe, and if anybody willing to help her, she knows that I will hand over whatever, and I will go live, make everybody see that I am deliver whatever anybody send for this lady, Marlene Buchanan, right here. Oh my goodness, Marlene, your blessings is coming. I want to say big up to my lawyer, Miss Diane Mailer. Big up my lawyer, Miss Diane Mailer. And Latisha said, Ted, you are blessed youth. Yeah, man, respect Miss Watson. Yeah, man, me I bless you because Malibu said she gonna send something for her. So come Thursday, you understand? And I'm telling you, we're gonna give you the money because once Malibu is a trustworthy person, she not coming like a Nadine Flavor. We always said she gonna do things and don't do it. My good friend at England. Every time she said she gonna do something, Mr. Universe, she never do nothing. I'm a friend still. Yeah. So may I tell you now, so your blessings is coming. You understand? Your blessings come because the people are reaching out to you, Marlene Buchanan. You understand? Booba said, oh, big up Booba. All right, and it from England said, that is so sad. Hey, what's up, Camille? Camille Hewitt, Miss Shango, big up. Camille Hewitt, big up. True, attack Sharon. Them throw salt behind them. True. Enough blessings then. Janet Miller said that. They do that. Me love your Ted. Alright, Nadine Flavor. Big up my lawyer, Miss Diane Mailer. So he said, don't cry. Something good is coming here. Big up Kevin. Kevin said, up. Oh my goodness. Yes. Alright, me not kill a man. Me not kill a Nadine Flavor. No kill me, you're too bad. Alright, my Auntie Karen said, what can we do without Ted Brown, the #1 blogger? Bless up. Thank you, Auntie Karen. Big up Auntie Karen run a Russia Savlama. Bag I love Auntie Shereen. Alright, Miss Williams said, Ted, big up. Alright, Andrea said, God bless you, Ted. Sharon Broomfield, big up. Yes. Alright. Alright, I wish my mom was still alive. Okay. So what I know, the people willing to help you, you understand, and they're gonna help you. So I'm telling you, don't cry. Just wipe your tears. So what you say your Sunday? England. England. So send a message to him, tell him say you need help.
I call him 1 or 2 times when he answers him saying that he's not working, he can't help me. And I don't understand that.
Hold on. Miss Williams said, Ted, big up yourself, best blogger in Jamaica. Thank you. Let her cry, Ted. Her heart is full. Thank you, thank you. Someone too fast enough. Why this nice lady crying, Ted? Oh my God. His kids them leave her like nothing. I'm going to look for her son. We must find him. Ted is the best. Ted, big up yourself, #1 blogger and out on Jamaica. Big up, big up. Alright. So what you say now? And your daughter make you sleep on the floor?
Yes, my daughter let me sleep on the floor. Meantime, she and her wicked man sleep on the bed. And the next room where her son sleep alone on a big bed.
Alright. Nadia Kingston that Malibu said, don't cry, I got you. I'm sending you food money. She said she's gonna send you food money. Alright, thank you, Malibu.
Thanks very much, miss. Thank you very much.
Say Malibu.
Thank you, Malibu. God bless you.
Yes. So you'll come and you'll get the money and everybody are gonna see when me hand over money to you. Okay. God gonna bless you. Yes, Malibu, thank you. I wish my mom was here. Marcia said that. Tell her to be strong. Alright. Yes. Give her son number. I will give him a call, please. You know his number, Afan? Look for it. Look for it. What a wicked pitney them. Sometimes you better you dash them. We lie.
Yeah, but I didn't want to do nothing like that because I said God bless me. So I thought it is something good to have kids.
Yes.
I didn't know it is something bad to have kids.
Yes. And you talk so nice and decent. And these kids don't help you and make you live like this. I hate to see people like you suffer.
Look at my son and my daughter tell me to take out my passport because he won't take me 1 June. You know when the June pass and him don't have me, he walk up and down, if he walk up and down. To make people steal it from me.
Why number?
See here, Mr. Ted Brown. This one where I put it, the 0114.
Okay.
And it is this down here, but 2 other.
Alright. In number our
7.
No, hold on. 01144 079 5122 5850. Repeat it again. Oh, we're going to say the area code of England. 079 512 25 850. And his name is what? Michael. Michael.
Yes, Michael.
Michael, tell her right name.
Michael. His name is Michael David St. Paul Garden.
Oh my goodness.
When he was born, there was a nurse from England there. So give me that part of the name, St. Paul.
Yes. So what you say now? They really not help you. Big up my lawyer, Miss Diane Mailer. Okay, you get the right number. The right number. Oh, hold on. The number is, yes. This you get the right number, Louis. Yeah. Yes.
5122.
Yes. It's
5850.
Yes. Alright. The number is 079 5122 5850. And you put the area code in England if you know the area code. His name is Michael. His mother there Jamaica suffer. She need help. She's out here crying like crazy. They need to help. Tell them your name again.
Marlene Buchanan.
Stop the crying, man. Stop the crying.
Marlene Buchanan, please. Marlene Buchanan.
Yes. What a wicked son you have.
Yes, he is wicked to me because I didn't know that he would do stuff like this. Because I know who is the last child, I thought he would be loving you.
Yes. The last child, I think you don't love you.
Yes, because I tried me and I thought he would love me.
Papa Jesus, look here, me have over 2,000 people who watch Mr. Universe live right now. Big up my lawyer, Miss Dion Mailer at 6 Louis Street in Savlamar. Big up my international famous lawyer, Miss Dion Mailer at 6 Louis Street. You can call her 918-2012. Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger in Jamaica, wide of the world, is right here with Marlene Buchanan. He must send a message to his son in England when I help her, and me I tell you, say, the lady really want help. He knows that Mr. Universe is the #1 blogger. She heard me on the radio all the while and everything, and you hear people talk about me. Where say you hear people talk about Mr. Universe?
People been talking about you, yes sir.
Where you hear the people them say?
They say you're a good person and you help a girl what you have a baby. And she whatever, she don't have any sense, whatever. You made a home for her with a baby, but yet still she keep away, but you have the baby and the home.
Yes. All right, Chinny Queen. Chinny Queen said, Ted, you are the best. Love you. All right. Oh my goodness. So I'm telling you right now. So everybody who's watching, share this live video. Send your video viral with Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger. Yes, and we are calling on the relevant authority in Jamaica. If you can help this lady, please do. So your son make a take out all passport and I'll help you. Show the people them a passport. Jesus Christ, what a wicked son to you.
I have all my school record, right?
You have all the school record? Up in the Mr. Universe, Papa Jesus Christ, this one crowd, this one people. You have your school record? Oh my goodness. Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger, is here. Which school I used to go? Wow, let me see. Granger High School? Wow, oh my God. What I make people them say things are going on, man. Let me read it. This service to state that the above named student attend the Granger High School. Yes, the information was taken from the school administration and it's signed by JP, yes, Marcia McIntosh. All right, Granger, Billide Road. See there? She have her school record. Oh my goodness, you really need help. Granger High School. Wow, that's my past alma mater. Wow, wow, wow. What it up? Let me see it. Granger High School. Wow. We make every people them see what take place or so, man. Yeah, man. Are you born June? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. You really need help, man. Oh my God. What up that? Let me see passport. So you have all passport. Oh my God. A little help you want, man. Papa Jesus.
I have my NIS.
You have your NIS? Oh my goodness. No, man, Marlene, I help you want, man. Oh my goodness, are you willing for work? Let me see the passport. How do you open up the passport?
I'm going to open it. Let me show you
the TRN and there's something there?
Yes.
My God, you go through every procedure if you have the right papers in Jamaica. I look for help you want. You all have bank card. Yes. Something, oh my goodness.
NJ, give me this gold card here.
Yes.
That is when me used to get all the money from my son.
Yes.
All right, look for one of these. One of these is my son, NIS, TRL. One is mine.
All right, my Auntie Karen said, Ted, sometimes we have to have time, then no business with we. Okay, Auntie Karen, oh, the comments have come so fast. Big up Auntie Karen in Russia, Savlaman, big up Khaled Car, a Pink's Fabric. My God, see there you have 2 TRN.
One for my son, where you live in England.
One for your son, yeah. Well on the man. But you not tell no lies, say your son name. Well on people, look here, Michael David St. Paul. She not tell no lie. Oh God. You not see what take place? Look.
I'm not lying.
You're not lying, it's true. You know, say you forget help. Because you not tell no lie. See his son name here? Michael David St. Paul. Oh my goodness. I say I can't zoom up and make people them see it more. Oh, so you have everything. What are you wicked son? Not take no care of you?
No, I take up my passport and in my company and don't do it.
And in don't do it?
Yeah, this one is mine.
And this one is yours. Oh my goodness. Tiffy Marlene Buchanan one you know. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. June. Okay, China Queen said June people no lie. A true. Oh my goodness. So what you said to know?
You said that is the problem, they're not helping me.
They not help you? No. Oh my goodness.
They just suffer like dog.
They make you suffer like dog?
Yeah. Like when you see a dog or something, don't have any parents or any master to give them anything to eat or nowhere to stay.
Oh my goodness. So you want a little assistant?
Yes, I need.
Alright, Malibu said she's gonna send you something. You understand?
And let me tell my son, say, we send one lady's clocks and put on for me for now. He said me to buy her Jamaica.
Jesus, so why you son treat you like that and you send him go to school, you treat him so good, and you send him all of England, and you see it? Boy, sometimes some picnics are crosses. Jesus Christ, so you need look help.
And this is my eye doing.
Oh my goodness. But listen, the lady said she's willing to work. And if she get a little start, alright. But Malibu said she's going to send something, you understand, for you. You understand, boy, Miss Williams said these kids are wicked to them parents. True, because this lady work hard and send her the picnic in England and all. No. Jesus Christ. Chinese Queen said her blessing just started. Oh my goodness. Yeah man, no problem. You understand? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I'm telling you, this is not a good sign. This is not a good sign. So you're looking at. So what you say now? You live like somewhere nothing to nowhere?
Nowhere. I'm just suffering. The other day I catch one lady and she put out all of my things out the door, make the rain wet them up and bad color them and mash them. All the again. I'm going to walk you see me having a bag.
Oh, walk you in a bag. One lady France, Ocho say, you must go send some clothes come. So when the lady send the clothes come, I'm going to make sure so you get the clothes. And I'm going to come back live. Mr. Universe, the #1 blogger, I'm going to come back live and make everybody see that anything when me get, me a hand over to you. You understand? You understand?
Keep the things there and sit here. Because when I go get this passport, I'm stressed more than anything.
Oh God, your passport. But look how you look nice in your passport. Wow. You can't say you was a nice lady. Oh my goodness. Jesus. I see you were nice and brown. Jesus and peace. Oh my goodness. You hear somebody say, don't waste all your money, Panchile. God send you to Ted because he knows Ted is the real deal. True. You can hear me on the radio, you know, Chinese Queen, and see people them always attack, say, Mr. Universe, a good youth, Ted Brown, a good youth. So he just come. My goodness.
Because he's the only one in Jamaica where they have a show like that. You know, to help the people and make the world know what's really going on in people's life. So it's not everything they see is gold. Some are empty.
Yes. So you say, I mean, have the only show in Jamaica?
Yeah, right now is you have the helping show like a Susan. Like the use the man Susan.
Oh, thank you. So I mean, that means say I help the people them.
Yes, when you put them on the internet and make the world know, the people them